Good afternoon, everybody. It's Greg Douglas coming at you with another weekly edition of Explore More. Today we're going to take a look at our new audio system throughout the facility, as well as our stage area with our IT manager, Jim Cole.
Hi, I'm Jim Cole. I'm with the AV and IT department here at Swinomish Casino and Lodge. So during this construction project, which lasted 18 months, we completely renovated our audio-visual system here. And today we're going to talk about the audio side of our audio-visual system that was installed. We used to have about 25 speakers for the whole casino. We now have 140 speakers. Those 140 speakers now, you can hear promotions, you can hear announcements anywhere in the casino. It's much clearer than it used to be. We're able to select which sources we want to go to those speakers. So if we want the stage, we got a band on the stage playing, and we want to play that throughout the casino, we're able to do that at the same time. So we're really excited about all that we've done for the casino and during this project for the audio.
Hey folks, I hope you enjoyed that special edition of Explore More where we took a look at our audio system. Next week, please check back on Wednesday for some more information about our great new facility here at Swinomish Casino Lodge.